Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting 500 g chicken into bite-sized pieces because surface area matters for flavor absorption. Combine 150 g yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tsp chili, 1/2 tsp turmeric, and 1 tsp garam masala. Toss chicken thoroughly. Marinate 30 to 60 minutes to tenderize and infuse. While it rests, heat a heavy pan over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons butter. Sear chicken in batches for color. This builds roasted flavor, so don't overcrowd. Once seared, set chicken aside and keep the fond in the pan. Now build a layered masala. Add 2 tablespoons butter to the pan, then sauté 2 sliced onions over medium heat until deep golden. Caramelization creates sweetness and body. Stir in 1 tablespoon tomato paste, then 400 g crushed tomatoes. Cook about 10 to 12 minutes until oil separates, because that signals cooked acidity. Add 1 tsp coriander, 1/2 tsp cumin, and 1 tsp garam masala, mixing to bloom the spices. Deglaze with 60 ml water, then return seared chicken to the sauce. Simmer gently so proteins finish cooking without toughening. Finish by simmering the chicken in the masala for 8 to 12 minutes so juices mingle and protein cooks through. Reduce heat and stir in 60 ml cream and 25 g butter for a rich, emulsion-like texture because fat rounds acidity and carries flavor. Crumble 1 tsp kasuri methi and add 1 tablespoon lemon for brightness. Adjust salt. Serve hot with rice or naan. Troubleshooting. If sauce is too thin, simmer uncovered to reduce. If bitter, balance with a small pinch of sugar and a touch more cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.